Okay, now I'm going to talk about how to maintain the slides on your instrument, and to do this I'm going to need my trombone slide cream, my tuning slide and cork grease, and also my cotton cloth that I used to clean out my valves. Now, there's two types of slide on your instrument. There's the ones that we need to move while we play, and if you look here at the back, the slide that's attached to my third valve here needs to move quite freely while I play, and so does the slide attached to my first valve here. So they need on them the trombone slide cream, while the fixed slides, like my second valve slide, it's only a little one, look, and my tuning slide, which is here on this side of my trumpet, need my tuning slide and cork grease. Now, on a lot of beginner trumpets, the first valve slide and the third valve slide often don't move or have the facility to move. So you would use the tuning slide and cork grease on any slides that we don't need to move while we're playing. Okay, so to remove my tuning slide, I take it out there. I clean off each little bit with my cloth. Now, one bit, see the bit here goes into the trumpet, so that's the bit I need to clean there. And the other bit I need to clean is on the trumpet just here. So I clean both of those off to get all the dirt off those. And then with the tuning slide and cork grease, I put a small circle around the end of the slide. That's just a tiny bit, don't know if you can see that, look. Just a circle around the end of the slide, that's all that needs. I should put down there. I then do the same on this slide on the trumpet. It's sticky, this stuff, and takes a while to get out of the tube. Just around the end, like before. Just a little circle of it, look. And then as I put the slide back into the trumpet, there, I can then wipe off any excess with my cloth. Now you repeat that process on any other slides, like my second valve slide, that aren't required to move while we play. Now that tuning slide and cork grease is too thick for the slides that do need to move. So this is where our trombone slide cream comes into play, because as you know, trombonists need to move their slide very, very fast, and so this is roughly what the trombone slide cream looks like. Now, if I take off my movable first valve slide here, now, I do exactly the same thing, is I clean off this little bit here, that little bit that goes into my trumpet, and the corresponding bit on my trumpet just here. I then apply a tiny bit of the slide cream just around the end of the slide, just a tiny bit. Okay, so I don't need to do it all the way on that bit. And on this bit here, just a tiny bit. And then the slide just slots on. Now, because there's a vacuum in the trumpet, I need to press down the valve so that the slide will easily fit on. And with my cloth I can clean off any excess from the outside of my instrument, and like that. Now gradually, as the moisture from the trumpet gets onto that cream, it makes it run very, very fast, and is then easy to use while I'm playing my trumpet. Now that's the process I repeat on the slides that move, which is this one here as well, which is attached to my third valve slide. Okay, so I do exactly the same with that. So there you go, that's how to keep your slides up and running.